This video is brought to you by Fact Franksy. Deep in the heart of Florida's Everglades, a silent battle is raging. The combatants, the stealthy invasive Burmese python and the tenacious, fearless honey badger. One, a silent predator decimating native populations. The other, a potential savior with an untamable spirit. But could this solution be a disaster in disguise? The Burmese python, a giant among snakes, is not native to Florida. Irresponsible pet owners release these creatures into the wild, a grave mistake. These pythons, with their voracious appetites, have wreaked havoc on the Everglades. Native mammals? Decimated. Bird populations? Plummeting. The pythons, masters of camouflage and ambush predators, reproduce rapidly. The Everglades, once a haven for biodiversity, is now their hunting ground. Enter the honey badger, a creature with a reputation as fierce as its bite. This is no cuddly critter. The honey badger is fearless, tenacious, and equipped with a thick hide and razor-sharp claws. They are known to take on lions, hyenas, and even venomous snakes. Why? They possess a remarkable resistance to snake venom. These creatures are the embodiment of nature's ferocity. Clash of Titans, a hypothetical battleground. Imagine the scene. A Burmese python, massive and muscular, lies in wait. It senses a potential meal, a honey badger. The honey badger, unfazed by the python's size, charges forward. The python strikes, attempting to constrict the honey badger, but the honey badger is relentless, its thick hide providing protection. It bites, claws, and squirms, its ferocity unmatched. Who would win in this epic battle? It's a fight for survival, a testament to nature's brutal beauty. Honey badger intervention. A risky gambit? Introducing honey badgers to combat the python problem might seem like a good idea, but history is filled with ecological interventions gone wrong. Remember the cane toads in Australia? Brought in to control pests, they became a bigger problem. Honey badgers, with their adaptability and aggressive nature, could easily become an invasive species themselves. They could prey on native wildlife, disrupt the delicate ecosystem, and create a whole new set of problems. So, is the honey badger solution genius or madness? It's a question with no easy answers. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe Fact Franksy for more incredible wildlife adventures.